I'm in Wichita, Kansas. Have some family we visit here. And they have this section of this place. It's like a surplus industrial store. And I know there's all over the country there's these. And I've posted some videos in the past, but they have the coolest. It's mostly like high-speed steel. Like, it's just such a fascinating little area to me. Drills. Just like if you needed a giant drill. Absolutely crazy. I'm sure they're pretty like beat to crap. I mean, the edge is pretty good. Hey. So if you missed out, I'm in Wichita, Kansas at the yard. So this is the drills. Just I don't even know what you are. Pretty beat up. Some of it's just the paint off the shelves, but then there's like I think it's mostly high-speed steel, which honestly for the size of some of these probably is fine, but I have a few of these I've collected over the time. Hey, Mahi. I just find them fascinating because I don't use tooling that's like, what do we got here? 2-inch 2x2x4. So 2 flute, right hand M2 ball. I don't know. Every time I've come here, year after year, there's still more of it. So somebody is still providing, unless they have a stock in the back, but it's not just like just recent. The size of these. The part of the problem is I fly here, and I've sent some back in the mail. I have like a little collection at home just because I find them to be entertaining. And I did actually at one point intend to try to use like a giant ball in like a Cat 40 holder, and I know it probably needs a Cat 50, but I just thought it'd be kind of fun. Maybe I should put it in the UMC. One of these guys. These some of these are kind of nice. Yeah, I think most of it is high-speed steel, so doesn't perform quite as well, but still entertaining. Nonetheless, I find it pretty fascinating. It's a cool place. There's a lot of arbitrary, like, surplus stuff. They have a huge metal stockyard outside. Maybe I'll make it out there. Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, I mean, there's something I'm really drawn to it for some reason, even though I know it's like useless to me for the most part. Why it's here on a shelf, but the drills in particular I find really great. They're so big. There's a lot of airplane, like there's a Boeing here, there's Cessna, there's Beechcraft, a bunch others I don't know of. A lot of taps. These bins in the backside. If you actually lived near here, it would be really useful. I just put some stuff in my bag if I actually have a need. I don't think I've ever used anything from any of these from the yard. I've just bought some of this for entertainment purposes. Yeah. It's back here. That's kind of it. Collets. I don't think I'd ever buy used collets. Yeah, you need a really big lathe. Taps back. Oh, giant reamer. Oh my god. There you go. The size of this. You got a 2 9/16 drill. The prices are usually pretty good, considering what you'd be buying. Saw blades. Insert drills. Those are kind of interesting. Oh, they're not replaceable. Just the whole thing. Oh, maybe I'll do another one if I make it outside, or maybe I'll just bring you along and I'll be quiet here because I'm not going to talk through a bunch of people. I'm not that kind of person.
You would have to just show me what you're talking about, because...
So I'll do a little quiet tour here. Vinyl. Not so much my interest, but there's always something curious that they have, because it's like, it seems to be they just like find some surplus or somebody gives it to them and then they sell it. There's always interesting stuff.
I don't want.
Let's go make it outside though. Push. The best part back here is oh, this is new. They have pre-cut steel, which not super useful for me either, but doing a little Instagram live.
I figured you were.
Of the tour inside. I was going to make it to the aluminum because that's my favorite part back there.
That is. You go crazy at the aluminum.
It's just so big. Layers.
There was a lot more new stuff in there.
And I saw that they have that pre-cut stuff is something they're doing that's new. I've been tempted to like ship stuff back home, but
How much is shipping today? 'Cause isn't it
yeah, it's gotten pretty
nasty?
pricey.
Yeah.
It looks like steel.
Yeah.
Got a crate of steel. Yeah, not too exciting. The aluminum, I think specifically the aluminum makes sense because it's airplane world. There's just like bins like this all over the place. Last time I was here, I remember the prices were really good. Of course, it's like you can order it cut too, which is kind of cool. Like these are banded up. They look like orders. These are somebody's order. It's a nice little load. Jeez. Stop.
Oh, really? They let us go back last time.
Oh, are we not supposed to? I
It says stop.
thought maybe it was driving purposes. I guess I'll get yelled at. I don't know. Not too worried. Ooh, look at this. This is new too. Got a new pre-cut. Huh, this is sweet. There's no problem. 2024. Huh. I want to get to this like scrap area back here. This is crazy. Of course, I'm sure a lot of the metal yards have stuff like this, and I've just never walked around them, but I like that it's like surplus and seems to be quite the deal. These have been here forever, unless they restock them. Like 12 inches, maybe? 14 inches? I would like to know what turns that. Probably gets cut. They also have made like the craziest like fortress around their building out of like probably raw steel, but it kind of looks like Core-10. Tubes, extrusions.
Oh my God.
There that goes.
Wow. Just scrap.
I'll take it. It's all 6061 too. It's nice stuff. It's just like a field. It just keeps going. It's my favorite. These shelves are so good.
You can get these in your suitcase.
Yeah, I'd fit this few in a suitcase.
Dear God.
I've got a lot of like, well, we'll have less diapers on the way home, I guess. So.
Yeah.
A lot of kids stuff in mine currently. Yeah. Just like bins that, like I order that kind of stuff and pay too much for it now. There's some big plates back here somewhere last time I was here. Oh yeah, there's some. Ooh, a little EDM action. Somebody didn't want that anymore. Thanks, guys. Can you tap the location in a live? Don't know how. Yeah, that's quite the place. Guess I don't know what it costs. All these, I mean, it's got to be pretty affordable. considering it's just random pieces on shelves. Oh, baby. Got a big one. The size of these. Ooh. It's a mix 6 up here. Yep. Also won't fit in my suitcase. $25 by $35 by 5. Oh, it's 2 of them. I would really love to know what that cost. Gate. 8 7/8 by 21.5 by 30. I assume it's 60, 61? Oh, like honeycomb.
Yeah.
Sheeting. Too exciting.
Copper up here.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
That's the stuff you steal.
Yeah.
That's heavy, man. Compared to
Yeah.
way heavier density. Honeycomb. Yeah, this is a little less interesting. Anyway, that's my tour of... There used to be like a laser somewhere back here. They moved it. Plasma, I think is what it was. Oh, look at these cute little guys. Ooh, looks like steel. A weird color. Titanium? I don't know what that is. 15.5. Oh, man. Pricey. Dumpster? Yeah, there's the... No entry. Gonna get in trouble back there. We've got a plasma back there that they cut pieces up. It's a really interesting place. It's well organized. Anyway, thought you'd all enjoy my little tour of the yard. Like a what? Oh, dang! I don't remember going over here either.
It's all steel.
Like fence posts. Yeah? Jeez.
That even looks like a new building.
I think so,
Or
yeah.
a newer building.
Right. Well, those are little, those cute little ones. Like half inch pieces of steel. It's brand new. It always feels a little like dystopian here.
Yeah.
Like if the world is ending, I might want to come raid this. But they have really nice walls.
They've got cameras. They keep the dog loose.
A couple dogs. It'd be like the most expensive place. Oh, the hardware too. So that's cool.
Yeah, where at the end of the world do you want to be? The yard store.
The steel yard
The
store.
yard store.
We gotta build armor on our
Uh-huh.
vehicles.
This thing's pretty new. Not brand new, but
Yeah, I don't remember coming over here before.
unlike this, which looks a little old.
Yeah, it's been here a while. Yeah, you're right. Maybe it was just outdoors and they covered it? I don't know.
No.
I hear a welder. Oh, no, it's paper. Tubing. It's nicely organized. It's kind of like nice that it's self-help for the most part. It feels like too. You can kind of come load up and just a very different vibe. Almost like if you, like a lumber store was a metal store. I'll go in the hardware section real quick. Being videotaped. Cutting some metal in here. Kind of just like a little of everything, which I would just never stop coming here if it was not half a country away. A mini McMaster, but used. Fairly unorganized, and I mean it's like not a mess, but it's not. Maybe somebody knows where to find like a half 13 flathead screw, but probably better for like art projects where you don't need specifics. With some blue anodized, what are those called? Rivets. Interesting fasteners. Well, air fittings, maybe. A&N fittings, whatever that is. Ooh, we got some little chunks here. I think it's steel. 17.4, so it's like a type of steel. Yeah, a little different color. Probably really heavy. Yeah.
I didn't even move it.
Yeah, sometimes they're like nonsense. Like this is the really common type of aluminum, 6061. Yeah. Interesting place. Sizable. Yeah, that's kind of the whole yard. Yeah. Hope it was interesting. See you guys later.